Good morning, early bird. Pull up a chair, class is starting, and you're right on time. Welcome to Daily Money Classroom, where we make the confusing stuff actually make sense. You've probably heard people say you need 4,000 watch hours to make money on YouTube, and you're sitting there thinking that sounds impossible, like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. But what if I told you it's more like filling up a swimming pool? Yeah, just a swimming pool. And in 2026, someone finally gave you a bigger hose. Think of YouTube monetization like this. You're trying to fill a giant pool. That pool needs exactly 4,000 hours of water before YouTube will give you the key to the money room. Every single minute someone watches your video is like a drop of water going into that pool. Watch an entire 10-minute video, that's 10 minutes of water. Makes sense, right? Now here's where most people get confused. They think they need 4,000 people watching for 1 hour each. Nope. You could have one person watch for 4,000 hours straight, which would be weird and slightly concerning, but it would count. Or you could have 240,000 people watch for 1 minute each. Same pool, different hoses. The old way people filled this pool was brutal. You'd make a video, post it, hope someone found it, maybe get 20 views. That's 20 drops in an ocean-sized pool. You'd be there for years, literally years. Most people gave up before they even got halfway. But 2026 changed something. YouTube rolled out what they're calling shorts to long crossover momentum. Sounds fancy, it's not. Remember our pool? Well, YouTube just gave you a second pool that feeds into the first one. Here's how it works. YouTube Shorts, those quick vertical videos, used to not count toward your 4,000 hours. They were like a kiddie pool next to the big one, separate. But now, if your short gets traction, YouTube starts showing your longer videos to those same people automatically.
Imagine you make a 30-second short about, how to peel a banana faster. Silly, but stick with me. That short gets 100,000 views because it's quick and people love weird life hacks. YouTube's algorithm notices. It thinks, hey, people like this creator's banana content. So what does YouTube do? It starts recommending your 10-minute video about kitchen hacks to those same 100,000 people. Not all of them will click, but even if just 2% do, that's 2,000 people. If each person watches for 5 minutes, you just got 10,000 minutes. That's 166 hours from one short, creating a ripple effect. You're not filming the short to get watch hours directly. You're using the short as bait. The short fills the kiddie pool. The kiddie pool overflows into the big pool. The big pool gets you paid. This sounds too good to be true, right? And yeah, there's a catch. Always is. The short needs to actually be good. Not perfect, just good enough that people don't scroll past in half a second. You need to stop the scroll. That's the phrase everyone uses now. Stop the scroll. How do you stop the scroll? You make the first frame interesting, not clickbaity, interesting. Show something visually weird, a question on screen, a face with a strong emotion, something that makes thumbs pause, even for 2 seconds. That's all you need. Once they watch your short, YouTube tags them as someone interested in your topic. Now you're in their algorithm. Your longer videos start appearing in their feed. Not immediately, takes a few days, but it happens consistently. Now don't worry if you're thinking, but I've posted shorts before and this didn't happen. Yeah, because you probably didn't know about the connection system. You need to do one specific thing. Link your shorts to your long videos in a smart way. After someone watches your short, YouTube shows them a little shelf of your other videos. You want your best long-form videos sitting right there. Not your most recent, your best, the one that keeps people watching. That's your hose. That's what fills the pool. Most creators mess this up. They post random shorts about random topics, then their long videos are about something completely different. YouTube gets confused. It's like trying to sell someone a cookbook after they watched a video about car engines. Doesn't match.
You need what I call topic threading. Every short should connect to at least one long video. If your short is about morning routines, your long video should expand on morning routines. Same audience, same interest, different depth. People watching the short are dipping their toes in the kiddie pool. They're testing the water. If they like it, they'll jump into the big pool, your long video. That's where the hours stack up. Let's talk numbers for a second, because I know you're wondering if this actually works. A creator named Sarah, real person, I checked, posted 15 shorts in January. Each short got between 50,000 and 200,000 views. Not viral, just solid. Each short linked to one of her 3 main long videos. By March, 2 months later, those 3 long videos had accumulated 3,200 watch hours, just from the short's traffic. She hit 4,000 total hours by April, 4 months. Compare that to the old method where people waited 2 years. Sarah's not special. She's not a celebrity. She just understood the pool system. Filled the kiddie pool. Let it overflow, watch the big pool rise. Here's the beautiful thing about this method. It compounds. Every short you post creates a new pathway. More people discover you. More people check out your long content. The pool fills faster and faster. It's not linear growth, it's exponential. Month 1, you might get 200 hours. Month 2, 400 hours. Month 3, 800 hours. You're not working twice as hard. The system is just multiplying your reach. Now, I need to mention something important. This method works best if you post consistently. Not daily, you don't need to burn yourself out, but consistently. 2 shorts a week, 1 long video every week or 2. That's the rhythm that feeds the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm is like a plant. You can't water it once and expect it to grow forever. You need regular watering, regular content. The algorithm remembers you, keeps showing your stuff, stops showing your stuff if you disappear for 3 months. Some of you are thinking, but I don't have time to make shorts and long videos. Fair point. Here's a trick. Make the long video first, then cut it into shorts. One 10-minute video can become 5 different 30-second shorts. Different angles, different hooks, same core topic. You're not doubling your work, you're repurposing. It's like cooking a big pot of soup and freezing portions for later. Work smart, not hard. There's also a psychological thing happening here that's kind of genius. When someone watches your short and enjoys it, they feel a tiny bit of trust. Not much, but enough. When your long video appears in their feed later, they're more likely to click because their brain recognizes you. Oh, that's the banana person. They were helpful. Trust is the secret ingredient. Shorts build trust fast. Long videos cash in on that trust. Together, they fill the pool. One more thing before we wrap up. YouTube recently added a feature where shorts can now autoplay your long-form content if someone watches multiple shorts in a row from the same creator. It's rare, doesn't happen to everyone, but when it does, it's like turning on a fire hose into your pool. So to bring this all back to our pool analogy, you've got a big pool that needs 4,000 hours of water. You've got a kiddie pool, shorts, that's easy to fill and overflows into the big pool. You've got multiple hoses, each video you post. The more hoses, the faster it fills. And YouTube's 2026 update just made those hoses bigger and the overflow faster. You're not grinding for years anymore. You're working the system, using the tools YouTube is literally handing you. They want you to succeed. Monetized creators make YouTube money. They're rooting for you. They just needed creators to understand the game. Fill the kiddie pool. Let it overflow. Watch your hours climb. It's genuinely that simple now. All right, class dismissed. But before you run off, you've probably already realized something. Getting those 4,000 watch hours is just step 1. Step 2, you need 1,000 subscribers. And guess what? There's a brand new pattern for hitting that number way faster than before. And I'm breaking it down in the next lesson. Don't miss it.